Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all those new videos. Today I am going to try another tea from the brand Philanthrotea, and this one is called Pawsitivi-tea, and it is an organic peach mango black tea. So the first thing I want to do is definitely get our tea steeping. I have a clear glass mug, which is my favorite thing to drink tea out of, and my metal basket infuser, which I actually sell on Amazon. These are my first product towards having a brand of my own, hopefully one day. So if you want one of these guys, they're always linked in the description, and I just love them because they're sturdy, they never break, they're easy to clean. So I'll just put that guy right in the cup and scoop up our tea and top it with our hot water. Now we can set it to the side, let it steep, and check out everything there is to learn about this particular blend. So Philanthrotea is this really cool brand that each tea they have gives back to a different organization. And this one I think has something to do with dogs. The last one we tried was called Anxiety, and it helped support No Stigmas, which is a mental health organization. It's like an ally program where you can sign up to receive help for yourself and to help others with mental health. So it was really interesting to read about that, and I'm really excited to see what this one supports. So it says Philanthrotea, tea with intention, Pawsitivi-tea, organic peach mango black. We fill your cup so that you can help fill the cups of others. 20% of profits from this blend are donated to animal welfare organizations. And there's a little paw print there, which is so cute. It says this bright blend yields a fragrant tea with a tropical and subtle floral finish. The combination of safflowers, mango pieces, and a traditional black tea mixture is the perfect balance of fresh and subtly sweet. The instructions, I think, are the same as on the other tea, and I wish they were a little more direct. It says, pour heated water over the tea, cover, and infuse to taste. Different teas take well to different infusing times. Experiment to find your ideal time, but take care. Don't steep for too long or you'll find your tea has gone bitter. Remove the infuser or use a tea strainer for the leaves. So personally, I know that a black tea is good to steep for about 5 minutes, but I feel like if you were sort of new to tea, you wouldn't necessarily know what to do with this tea. So I do wish there was like a little more specific steep instructions. And the ingredients are black tea, mango pieces, flavoring, and safflowers, and it's all organic. I believe all of their teas are organic too, so like everything in every tea. It smells good. It definitely smells like a peach mango black tea. Yeah, so there are mango pieces, but there aren't peach pieces. There's flavoring though, so I assume that's where the peach comes from. So we can see those beautiful yellow petals that are the safflowers and the dark black tea. And let's dump it out onto a plate so we can get like a really good look at each ingredient all spread out. All right, take a look at that. I don't see any of the mango pieces in this scoop, but I definitely smell the mango. Mango has been one of my favorite snacks lately. I'm trying to be more mindful of like eating things that are gonna make me feel good. So I've been eating like frozen mango pieces. Oh my gosh, it's such a good snack. I'll just fill like a little cup and like eat it with a fork, and it's delicious. Like I feel like buying fresh mango is kind of like expensive, but we always have frozen mango in the fridge because my husband loves to make smoothies and things. So I've been like treating myself to that many afternoons lately. But let's check out the website and see what we can find out about this tea and the organization that it supports. All right, so Pawsitivi-tea, it benefits kibble to care. And here's the little description. It says, due to lack of financial means, many pet owners throughout the United States are forced to make a hard decision of giving up their pets. Whether pets are rehomed or surrendered to a local shelter, it's never an easy route for the animal or the owner. Many people believe that when giving up an animal to a local shelter or even a friend, that they are giving the animal a better life. Unfortunately, this is usually not the case. Every year, over 131,000 animals are destroyed in Atlanta area shelters. Kibble to Care was founded to provide Georgia residents with kibble and other necessary care to help keep pets with their families during times of financial hardship. Whether that means providing pet food and supplies or veterinary assistance, we will consistently do whatever it takes to keep pets at home where they belong. Aww. So let's see if we could go to Kibble to Care's website. Okay, Kibble to Care Inc., a local pet food pantry. Together we can end owner surrenders, make an impact. 459 families served, 991 animals saved. What we do, we provide Georgia residents with kibble and other necessary care to help keep pets with their families during times of financial hardship. This is really cool. For a couple reasons. First, I love dogs. I love them so much. I really want to get a dog. I really want one. I had a boxer dog for 10 amazing years and I loved him so much, and I still do. He passed away like shortly after Gerald and I moved into our apartment, and so that has been 4 years, and I still like think about him, talk to him, miss him every single day of my life. And now that we're moving into a new house, who knows, maybe a dog could be in our future. But it's been so hard for me to like think about moving on and think about like taking on a new dog, because I just can't imagine I could ever like love anything or anyone as much as I loved that pup. So anything that benefits the doggos, I am 1000% for. When I think about what makes a great charity or organization, I always like to see things that actually like help people, like actually like physically help the people who are in need, not just like raise awareness. You know, awareness is great, but I feel like when it's like hands-on, they're actually like giving food and giving care to these families who are going through tough times but want to keep their animals. Especially in this past year, like during the pandemic, I can only imagine how many families like with dogs and with pets had to struggle to afford to keep their fur babies, and that should never be an issue that you'd have to like give up a pet for. That's so sad. So to see like not only are they like putting their hands on the situation and like helping these dogs stay where they belong with their families, with their loved ones, it's also like local. So it's like they're specifically serving the people of Atlanta and the dogs of Atlanta and the pets of Atlanta specifically. Like they have numbers of how many they've helped. So it's really cool to be able to see like a concrete impact like that. And especially that they're like a local charity that a lot of people might not know about, but everybody who purchases this tea from Philanthrotea is going to be helping them help more dogs. So that is fantastic. So I don't think they have much of a description like beyond what's on the packaging, which is great. I love when we could get everything we need to know from the packaging. And I think it has been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out that infuser. All right, nothing left to do but to give it a try. Yeah, it's definitely just like a good classic. It would make a really awesome sweet tea, like if you wanted to steep it hot with a bunch of sugar and then stick it in your refrigerator to chill it, like make like a big pitcher of it and then just have it on hand. I feel like it's that kind of tea. I just recently tried one from the brand Steep and Sip as well. That is like that vibe, like the peach black tea. It's just a summer classic. to do a tea like that iced, or like a lot of people like it hot as well. For me, like if I'm going to reach for a fruity tea, it's probably going to be like a peach and not like a tart berry tea. Like I personally like hibiscus teas and like tart teas just aren't really like my personal preference. I definitely would prefer like stone fruits like peach, apricot. Mango's a stone fruit, right? It's a big seed. It's not really a pit or a stone. So I don't know if you consider mango a stone fruit, but like that sort of vibe. Like I would definitely go for like the bigger fruits over like berries. But for the most part, like if I had to choose a fruit tea, it would definitely be like in this realm and not in that like hibiscus, like tart realm. So I really enjoyed learning about kibble to care, and I would feel really good buying this tea from Philanthrotea. And the other one that I tried, the anxiety, that one contributes to a really awesome organization as well. So far I'd say 2 for 2. I would say that these are blends you could find elsewhere if you wanted to, but with the addition of like the charity, it makes you really want to shop their brand. They also have these really cute like glass tumblers, which I think are fantastic. I'm so excited to use this while I'm like on the go. Definitely a cool brand to check out. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review and my little look at Philanthrotea's Pawsitivi-tea. I definitely feel positive drinking this. Let me know if you've made it this far through the video. Do you have any pets? Gerald and I went to the park yesterday. We have this really beautiful like park / forest preserve where you can walk all the way around this little lake. And we always see dogs, like it's like nothing. Like I get excited every dog I see, but we see a ton of dogs there. But yesterday we saw a giant tortoise. Like he was big, like the size of probably like a little bigger than a small dog, maybe like a medium dog size, but it was a tortoise. And I don't think there are wild tortoises where we live. We've seen turtles, like small turtles at the park before, but I think it was somebody's pet. He was just like walking on the like gravel road and everyone was like gathered around and like, whoa, a big tortoise. And there was a man who was like talking all about like turtles and tortoises. So I'm like, it must be his pet. Like this is not just a wild like roaming tortoise. So that was an interesting thing to see at the park. But let me know what kind of pets you guys have. I love animals and I wish I had a pet. But again, I don't know if I'll ever be ready, to be honest, because I miss my pup so much. But let me know if you have a dog, what kind of dog do you have? If you have a cat, what does your cat look like? If you have a different animal, I would love to hear all about your pets. So leave all of that in the comments for me to peruse and live vicariously through my friends with pets. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. We are all that we need.